Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Pat Trading Partners, along with Bob Igino. 4-hour Tesla chart, gap up, immediately filling the gap, holding the rotation zone. This also got into our window for a potential. This is a potential double top. It's a potential reversal pattern. It's not anywhere near even confirming. In order to confirm it, I have to trade below 908.50. In order to trigger it, I have to close below there. So it's just saying this is a potential. Now, if we trade above 1057.07, it is invalid. All the upper levels stay in place again for tomorrow. Key support, right, pretty much where we tested on the last low of the 4-hour bar, 972.50. If we break below that, going to be watching for about 943, bottom of the rotation zone. And then below that is 908.50. That is the key level. Close below there could see us eventually trade back all the way to 805. So just keep that in mind. But if we keep rallying, then that doesn't matter. Just pointing that out so people might be able to help with their stop management or stop placement or construct some trades. And again, just trying to learn some price action. Here's what it looks like on the daily chart. You can see it's still going to be lower probability double just because the daily rotation zone's in the way. But if this takes a few days to trigger, the rotation zone would be out of the way, then would be a higher probability double. And all that would do is take us back to this the low 800 congestion area we were at until about the beginning of June when we broke out of there. That's really all there is to report, nothing else. What the levels on the daily, about 955 is minor support, so you go 955 to the lows, 960. You can always watch that during the day for support. If we did drop below that, the bottom of the rotation zone, I'd just be focused on that 908.50 right in front of the rotation zone. That's what is going to be focused on with that key pivot point. So we have a few on Tesla, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.